Hello everyone, welcome to Crafty Story. So today's video is third part on 6 basic crochet stitches. In this I'll be covering treble crochet stitch, also called as triple crochet stitch, and a slip stitch. So before moving forward, there are a few questions which I have received on the last part. So let me explain you. So the question is about exactly in which chain we have to insert the hook while doing half double stitch and double stitch. So if you notice, whenever you are completing a chain stitch, single stitch, half double or double, on top you could see a chain stitch only. See, this looks like a chain stitch. Okay, so whenever you are inserting a hook, what I would say is there are different ways to do it. It depends on the pattern which you are doing, and it depends on the product which you are designing. So for practice, how we do is you have to insert into the chain, two chains. So if you see, these two part are the chain, right, for next chain. So you have to insert your hook, you just drag it little and you can see the, let me drag it. So what I do, can you see the hole here? So this is the first chain. So you have to insert your hook here and do the stitches. If you are making half, it will be so 3 loops, and take it back to all the 3. And if it is double, yarn over, insert the hook into chain. So you have 3, yarn over, pull it back to first 2. Now you have 2, yarn over and pull it back to the next 2. So how you pick the chain is just stretch it little. You can see the hole between each chains. So that is the place where you have to insert your hook in. Okay, hope it answered your question. So let's move forward to today's content. So treble crochet. Treble crochet is, see, the order is like you are adding a stitch on top of it. So example, if you half double stitches additional on top of single crochet, and double stitches adding on top of half double stitch, and a treble will be like adding one more stitch on top of double stitch. So I'll explain how to do a treble now. So similarly, like for half double stitch we took 2 chains, and the way for double stitch we took 3 chains. For treble it will be 4. So just normally take 4 chains. So this is the length it's gonna be for our treble crochet stitch. Okay, so for treble what you have to do, you have to yarn over twice. So I'll do it again. So we took 4 chain here and then yarn over twice. So once you yarn over twice, insert your hook, you can stretch it, you can see the first chain hole here. Okay, so insert your hook into it, pull it back, you have 4 loops here first. Okay, so once you have 4 loop, what you have to do is yarn over, take it through the first 2 loops. Now you have 3. So this is nothing but again our double crochet pattern. So yarn over, again pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, again pull it through the next 2 loops. So this is our treble crochet. Let's do it again. So we are here. I have to take 2 times yarn over and chain, just stretch it little, you can see the hole here. Okay, so insert the hook into the chain, pull it back. Now you will have 4 loops in your hook, and yarn over, pull it through first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it through next 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. So now you can relate it how we are drastically increasing our patterns, I mean the chains. So again 2 times yarn over, so stretch it little, you could see the chain here. So insert the hook, pull it back, you have 4 loops, yarn over, draw it back to the first 2 loops, again yarn over, draw it back through the next 2 loops, yarn over to the last 2 loops. Okay, again 2 times yarn over. I'm going to repeat it till end. Insert the hook, so you have 4, yarn over, pull it back through first 2, again yarn over, pull it back to the next 2, yarn over, pull it back to the last 2. So we have completed our treble crochet stitch. So this is how it looks like. You can see it has more gaps, right? So this is our treble crochet stitch. So what we have done here is we have yarn over twice. I'll just explain here. So yarn over twice and we insert the hook into chain, and then again yarn over, pull it back to the first 2 loops, and then again yarn over, pull it back through the next 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it back to the last 2 loops. So this completes triple crochet or a treble crochet. Okay, so the last stitch, which is slip stitch, which is not add on to it, but where we use slip stitches, like basically when you are ending a particular crochet pattern. Okay, example, not only there are so many other places where we use slip stitch. I'll explain where we use it for one of the cases, maybe it will be easy. This is the place where we use slip stitch a lot. Okay, so again I start with a slip knot and I'm going to chain 6. You can see I have chain 6. So what is slip stitches? Now let's say I want to do a circle, maybe for a flower or a round pattern, we use slip stitch. Okay, so to combine both the ends, to join both the ends, we use slip stitch. So what we need to do is just have to insert your hook into the first chain which you have created. See, like this. Now you have 2 loops. Okay, so you do a yarn over and pull through the 2 loops and then just tight it. So this is the way where you stitch both the ends. So this is called slip stitch. Slip knot is different and slip stitch is different. Slip knot is the one which we do at the beginning, and slip stitch is something to join both the ends. Okay, so let me repeat it again, how to do a slip stitch. So first, as usual, start with your slip knot and then chain of 6, chain of 6, and then just insert your hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull it back through both the loops. So we just join both the ends. This is called slip stitch. Hope it is clear. This is mostly for a circle pattern. See example, I'll show you one of the pattern which I have created. See this one. This is a circle pattern. So here I have chained some 4 to 5 and I have did a slip stitch, and on top of it I have used different stitches to increase the circle pattern. So this is where we use slip stitch. Okay, so that's it. We have completed all the 6 basic crochet stitches. With this basic crochet stitches we can build a muffler or a shawl, so which I'll be showing in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, please do post it in comment, and subscribe and click on bell icon to get any notification from this channel. Thank you.